Hi, good day everyone. I'm Biswa Rao. Today I would like to share one wonderful product which we call black ginger. Okay, black ginger actually a beautiful product which can help to cure many kind of sickness. Okay, so the company that dealing with black ginger is none other than Walton International. Okay. So the company only started somewhere January 2019, which means it's already 1 year 10 months now. Okay. Now today throughout Malaysia, this black ginger is selling well because many people has benefited after taking this black ginger. Okay. And okay, what the black ginger does is it is very good for our hormone system. Okay, it's good for hormone system both for ladies and men. Okay, and also it's good for blood circulation. Okay, whoever have any nerve system problem, it also helps very much, like varicose veins. Okay, and any other related to nerves. Okay, it works excellently. All right. Okay, and also it can stabilize blood pressure. Okay, whoever have blood pressure, it can stabilize, it can control their pressure. All right. Okay, other benefits from this black ginger is it's also good for osteoporosis problem, or we can say like arthritis, any like gout problem, anything related to bone. Okay, and this product is very good for it. Okay, and also it also can control diabetes. All right, and it has anti-cancer properties as well. Okay, so inhibit cancer cells, we can say that. Okay, so that good this black ginger is. Okay, and this black ginger is selling well to the extent that last month, at the month of October, the company total sales was 12 million. Just imagine, within 1 year 10 months company, they already reached their sales up to 12 million per month. Sorry, 12 million per month. Okay, so that good response from the people who have taken this product. Okay, okay. Other than this black ginger, we also have a liquid form, DR4 liquid. We can say the DR4 liquid. Okay, DR4 liquid is very good. It's like a multivitamin. All right, it's like multivitamin. It comes in a liquid form. Okay, so in this liquid, what the ingredients that contain here is black ginger. It also have honey, original honey here, and also pomegranate. Okay, we know the fruit of pomegranate, or we can also in Malay they call buah delima. All right. So these three ingredients are in this DR4 liquid. Okay, okay, and it's also good. It also can stabilize our pressure, good for diabetes. Okay, and also for it has a very high antioxidant. All right. Okay, and also antibacterial. It's also very good for those who have a gastric or ulcer problem. Okay, our DR4 liquid. Alright, and it also has anti-allergy. Okay, and also good for digestive system as well. Okay, our DR4 liquid. Okay, this is our second product we have. Okay, the third product I would like to introduce is V20. Okay, this V20 especially made for ladies. Okay, and it also comes in a liquid form. All right. Okay, what the contents in this V20 is black ginger. It has pomegranate and honey. Also have blood nest. Okay, include blood nest and also herbs from Arab, Arabian herbs spices. Okay, so these are the 5 things in this V20. Okay, so what it does, okay, it is good for our skin. Okay, it's good for skin and inner and outer beauty for ladies. Okay, and it has anti-aging properties as well. All right. Okay. Other than that, it's good for general health. Okay, and also for ladies problem, like menstrual problem and all that. It really can see the difference, especially ladies. Once they take this V20, they can see the difference. All right. Okay, and also it's good to stabilize their hormones, and also for the bone, also it's very good. It's kind of a collagen. This V20 similar like a collagen. All right. Okay, and this is the good about V20. All right. Now the another products that I would like to introduce to you is V-Cafe. Okay, our V-Cafe, it's a coffee. We call what contained in this V-Cafe is black ginger, mixed black ginger, and Brazilian premium Brazilian Arabica coffee bean. Okay, as we know, premium Brazilian Arabica coffee is the most quality coffee bean, we can say. All right, so it has that. Okay, and also extract from black ginger and extract mangosteen. Okay, and also mixed with nano sweetener. All right, so nano sweetener is very safe. Even a diabetes patient can take this. All right. Okay, so what it does, it is give those who are drinking V-Cafe, they can see it gives them stamina. It's very good for energy and also good for our digestion system. All right. Okay, and very good for those who have a constipation problem as well. All right. Okay. Other than that, it can lessen or is good for diabetes patient. Yeah, can control the level of diabetes problem. Okay, and also it is good for weight reduction. It helps to reduce the weight. Okay, for those who are taking this. All right, and also it can avoid risk of Parkinson diseases. Okay. And also it also can cut down cholesterol in the body, right? And other than that, it has very high antioxidant. Okay, so this is about V-Cafe. Okay. Then other product that we have, the 5th products that we have is premium black tea. Okay. So what it does? Okay, what the black tea contain is black ginger. Okay, it's mixed with black ginger and also extract mangosteen and also okay, and it also have mixed with nano sweetener. Okay, so nano sweetener is very safe. Those for diabetes patient also can consume it. There's no problem on it. All right. Okay, what it does, what this our premium black tea does to the people. Okay, it has very high antioxidant, similar like our V-Cafe also. It works. Okay, and also whatever toxins, it can bring out the toxins in our body. All right, and also free radicals. All right. And it's also very good for stress. Okay, it will bring down our stress level by taking this black tea. All right, and it is good for heart, and also it also cut down cholesterol as well. All right, and also it can stabilize our blood pressure. Okay, and good for digestive system as well. Okay, so this is the good about our premium black tea, and its taste is really wonderful. Okay, once we take this black tea, we love to drink it every day. Okay, the taste is very good, both our coffee and also the tea. Okay, so these are the main 5 products we have in this Walton International. Okay, and our products, all the products, okay, we already tested by University Science Malaysia under the toxicology laboratory. Okay, after tested, they are given a certificate saying that our products, there's no poisonous and no drugs. Okay, it is safe to take by everyone. Anyone can take this. Okay, even babies also can take. So it's very safe. There's no side effects on our products. Okay, okay. Our products are not only this black ginger products are not only for those who have sickness. It's also good for those who don't have any sickness. Normal people also can take. Okay, it's good for us to take. Okay, everyone should take this because it can prevent diseases. All right, as we say, prevention is better than cure. Okay, so that good our product is, and not only that, our products already got approval from KKM. Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia also already given the approval. Okay, so we don't need to worry about the product. Okay, we can consume it safely. So should not have any doubt on this product. All right, as I said, the product selling very good. Okay, today the company day by day the company sales are growing, keep on growing. All right. Okay. Other than that, suppose if we become an agent with this company, we can see a very good income as well. Okay. As I said, the company is only 1 year 10 months. Within this short period of time, many became millionaires. Just imagine, in a very short time. Okay. There are people who are earning up to 600,000 ringgit per month. Just imagine, 600,000 per month. Alright? So what that it shows? It shows that our product is excellent product. Okay? It really can help many people to overcome their problems from the sickness. Okay? So that is the thing that I would like to share today. Okay? So my next video I will explain to you how to become a member, to be an agent, and how we can earn money here. About the marketing plan. Alright, so we have a very simple marketing plan. Okay, that's it. Thank you.